The tranquility of Israel's serene waters was recently shattered. A microscopic predator, lurking unseen, claimed the life of a young man. This deadly foe, Naegleria fowleri, also known as the brain-eating amoeba, has caused alarm and prompted swift action from health officials. The tragedy unfolded when a young man, after swimming in a freshwater lake, contracted this rare and devastating infection. His condition deteriorated rapidly, highlighting the urgent threat posed by this deadly amoeba. This incident serves as a reminder of the hidden dangers that can lurk in seemingly harmless environments. The Israeli Ministry of Health acted swiftly, issuing warnings and guidelines to protect the public. Their efforts aim to educate citizens about Naegleria fowleri, its potential dangers, and the crucial steps to minimize the risk of infection. Naegleria fowleri is a microscopic amoeba, a single-celled organism found in warm freshwater environments. It thrives in temperatures between 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, making tropical and subtropical regions more susceptible to its presence. Lakes, rivers, hot springs, and even poorly chlorinated swimming pools can harbor this deadly organism. This amoeba thrives in warm, stagnant water, often found in lakes and rivers. It flourishes in the sediment at the bottom, away from the sunlight's reach. Unlike many other waterborne pathogens, Naegleria fowleri poses a threat not through ingestion, but through a far more direct route, the nasal passages. While encountering Naegleria fowleri is relatively uncommon, its consequences can be devastating. Understanding its life cycle and preferred habitats is crucial for effective prevention. Awareness is the first line of defense against this silent predator. Naegleria fowleri's mode of infection is as alarming as it is unusual. It enters the human body through the nose, often during activities like swimming or diving in contaminated water. Once inside, it travels along the olfactory nerve, a direct pathway to the brain. Upon reaching the brain, Naegleria fowleri triggers a rare and severe brain infection known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, or PAM. This infection leads to inflammation and destruction of brain tissue, causing a cascade of neurological symptoms. The effects of PAM are swift and severe. Symptoms typically appear within 1 to 9 days after exposure, often starting with intense headaches, fever, nausea, and vomiting. As the infection progresses, more alarming signs emerge, including stiff neck, seizures, altered mental status, hallucinations, and coma. Recognizing the symptoms and seeking timely treatment. Early recognition of Naegleria fowleri infection is crucial, given the rapid progression of the disease. Being aware of the typical symptoms and seeking immediate medical attention is paramount in improving the chances of survival. If you or someone you know experiences sudden onset of severe headache, high fever, stiff neck, confusion, or other neurological symptoms after swimming in warm fresh water, it is essential to seek immediate medical care. Timely diagnosis and treatment are critical in managing this life-threatening infection. Diagnosis involves examining cerebrospinal fluid, the fluid surrounding the brain and spinal cord, for the presence of Naegleria fowleri. Treatment often involves a combination of antifungal medications, along with supportive care to manage brain swelling and other complications. Despite aggressive treatment, PAM remains a serious and often fatal infection. Protecting yourself. Essential precautions against Naegleria fowleri. While the thought of a brain-eating amoeba might seem terrifying, it's important to remember that infections are rare. By taking simple yet effective precautions, we can significantly reduce the risk of encountering Naegleria fowleri. Avoid swimming or diving in warm freshwater bodies, especially during the summer months when the amoeba thrives, is crucial. If swimming in such environments is unavoidable, using nose clips or keeping the head above water can minimize the risk of water entering the nasal passages. Other preventative measures include avoiding stirring up sediment at the bottom of warm freshwater bodies, as this can disturb the amoeba's habitat. Ensuring that water used for nasal irrigation or rinsing sinuses is properly treated and disinfected is also essential. Staying informed, staying safe. A call for vigilance. The recent tragedy in Israel serves as a reminder of the hidden dangers that can lurk in our environment. While Naegleria fowleri infection is rare, its potential severity demands our attention and proactive measures. Staying informed about the risks associated with warm freshwater environments and adhering to recommended safety precautions is important. By understanding the threat, Recognizing the symptoms and taking necessary preventive measures, we can enjoy the water while minimizing the risk of encountering this deadly amoeba. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed and vigilant, we can empower ourselves to make safe and informed decisions, ensuring that our aquatic adventures remain a source of joy and not fear. Please share this video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.